So here we have the Picote Midi Cleaner. This is a 10mm shaft, 23 meters. This is great. This is a great piece of equipment for basically cleaning all of your pipes. Yeah, so it doesn't do as much as the Maximiller does, but this is great for reinstating junctions and soft blockages and just nice, easy unblocking drains with obviously different attachments as we can see. This does also go up to 1500 revs, which is obviously very powerful as well. It can navigate through nice little 90 bends as well, so very, very maneuverable as it's a 10mm shaft. Yeah, again, it has a foot pedal on the side there with, like so, obviously operate it always like this. And yeah, we can variate the speed and the revs. Yeah, please feel free to give us a call on 1-800-747-326 to come and trial it out at our Port Melbourne facilities.